You have the opportunity to experience the 5 Voices Leadership Development. This system has truly changed the way I lead at home, in business, and even in my friendships. I always reference this language. I've seen it unlock countless people as well, and I know it can make a difference in your life. Maybe you're frustrated because people don't truly understand your value. Or maybe you wonder why you're not getting honest feedback from your team. Or maybe you do know your true value, but you struggle to communicate your ideas and that value. This system will help you as a leader. It gives you a language you can use that will communicate clearly and effectively. It has helped so many people. It's a proven method, and I know it can help you too. Click below and sign up today.